Margaret Awesome. What are you doing today?
Nothing much, just in here.
Where are we right now?
In Botwood, in Canada.
This is Botwood, outside my house, but it's a really small town. Do you like it here?
Not really.
Where would you rather be right now?
I'd rather be in Texas or somewhere up in the U.S.
Oh, that's really cool. So, I heard that there's a really good boy band named the Jonas Brothers. Do you like them?
Yes, I
Do you also like Miley Cyrus too?
do. Yeah.
Yeah, they're pretty good. So, which one of your Jonas Brothers is your favorite?
I like Joe Jonas because he's cool and funny. I don't like him because he's like in a boy band. I just like him for who he is and stuff like that. Yeah,
same here. I like all of them. They're pretty cool, but Joe, I have to say, he's most of the funny one. You know, they just made a movie. Can't wait to see it.
I can't wait. Honestly, I cannot wait.
It's coming this Friday on Disney Channel. I meant Family Channel. Isn't that great?
Yes.
Yeah, I can't wait. I'm not going to miss it. Oh, my God. So, do you have the Jonas Brothers CD right now?
No.
Cool. I do. I listen to it all the time and rock it in the car. It's pretty fun. So, is there anything else you would like to say before we, end this video?
Rock on, Jonas Brothers!
All right, and cheerio!